Welcome to TribeTopper. Continuing with our series for algebra, we have got the question, graph the solution for this inequation. So we have to write the solution of x greater than minus 2 on the graph, or you can say the number line. Now, I'm not saying the solution of this means if this is a solution of some inequation and we get x is greater than minus 2, how would we graph it on the number line? Now, x is greater than minus 2 would mean that start from minus 2 and it is bigger than that. So the line extends to the right with an arrow, which means it will extend up to infinity. So anything bigger than minus 2. But because minus 2 is not included, so we have put a hollow circle. If it was x is greater than equal to minus 2 would have been included. We would have put a filled circle, not a hollow circle, right? So this is how we write or graph the solution of an inequation on a number line.